2020 Intense Primer, 27.5. So all brakes are all bedded in for the first shakedown ride tonight. I did swap my Industry 9 Torch Hub Enduro S wheel set on. With that, I have a 203 front rotor Shimano Ice Tech. So I swapped the correct brake adapter on. Much better hubs, much better rolling. A little bit more brake. Fox fender. Swapped my 50/50 bars and stem on. Went with a large size frame. I like to be stretched out a little bit on the bike, so I shortened up the stem. Swapped my 35mm stem on, and I prefer a little more rise in the bars. And once again, i9 wheel set, torch hubs. And my one-up pedals, but I'm gonna be swapping these out for some Crank Brothers pedals soon. I'm gonna ride it tonight in the low setting. I Spider Mountain this weekend, so I'll swap it for the lower setting. We'll see how it rides. This color is intense.